And mommy is busy. Okay?
No.
Wait. And leave Angel to close the door. Oh, when I put the door. Oh, when I put the door. Angel, close the door, please.
Then go. Come back.
Angel, go and close the door, okay? Close the door for me. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. What do you want? Today I'm 37 weeks and 1 day. This is how my tummy is looking. Very dark as usual. If you have been following me with my pregnancy, with my second, and this is my third, you know how my tummy is normally dark while pregnant. So this one is not new to us anymore. So today I'm 37 weeks and 1 day. Okay, let's cover it up. At this point, whoosh, guys, I'm feeling contraction. At this point, I'm done with pregnancy. Oh. Okay. Ah, Jesus Christ. At this point, I'm so done. I'm ready to have my baby. I'm so ready to have this baby right now. 37 weeks and 1 day. Okay, this time around, let's talk about these products. These products, I have a lot of videos to do here. That's why you are seeing all these products here. I have a lot of videos to do here. These products are from brands which we had to, make video of and post it. All these products are actually free. Apart from this one, this one is for my husband. I ordered this on Share. All these products are actually free that I got from a brand from TikTok shop actually. So as an influencer, we get free products. So you just have to make a video of the product and upload on your TikTok and put the link there. So anybody that is interested, we order it, you get your commission. The seller gets their own sales too. So all these products are actually from TikTok shop, which I have to make video of today. I have to do this whether you like it or not. So this is it. That's it. Okay, that's why you actually see them here. I just received some of the package. I received all these ones like 3 days ago, but the energy to make video was not there. So today I have to make video and post for them. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, guys, I'm here to talk about my birth plan this time around. With my third child, I'm actually having a birth plan. Yeah, I actually plan on having a CS this time around. It's an elective CS. I already have my appointment for that. I'm 37 weeks and 1 day today. My appointment for my CS is supposed to be at my exact 38 weeks. And yeah, because of the person that will help me look after my child, that will help me look after my kids, so I have to change it to the day that she will be available. I have to change it to when I will be 38 weeks and 5 days, because they say they can't do it without me being in my 38 weeks. So we have to do it 38 weeks and 5 days. Yeah. This time around, there's something that was new to me that I've not actually done before with my births. This time around, they gave me papers to sign. Yeah, not for the births. Yeah, that one is normal. You sign papers for your births. Even having my induction, I used to sign paper in case of anything. Yeah, they will go for emergency CS. I do sign papers for that. But this time around, they gave me papers to sign, not for the births. That one is different. This one is for my placenta. They said they want to take my placenta and go for Is it, they, according to them, they use it to produce some medication for people that need it. That is what they said. They use it to prepare medication for people that need it, and they gave you a whole lot of book to go and read, you know, to understand what they are doing with it and all of those things. And they ask you to sign the papers. They actually gave me the papers. I've signed it and, you know, return it to them, because I don't have anything I'm doing with my placenta. As far as of help to people, there's nothing to tell them not to use it for. This one is new to me. Like I said, with my other beds, I didn't even get to see my placenta. So I don't know what they do with it and what not. This time around, maybe things have changed. Right now, maybe some women are requesting for their placenta. For me, I don't have anything to do with it. So I just signed the papers and, you know, give it back to them. I already signed my papers for, you know, CS and all of those things. At this point, I have not packed my hospital bag. My appointment is 1 week, in almost 2 weeks, not up to 2 weeks though. In 1 week and some days time. Because right now I'm 37 weeks. Guys, 37 weeks at this point oh God. I'm so done with pregnancy. Oh. I don't know if it's because of the gender of this baby, but this pregnancy have been so kind of different from my other pregnancy. With this pregnancy, I don't even feel waka to walk, you guys, to walk. God, to walk, you guys will not understand. I can't even walk well. Sometimes when I'm lying down, my husband have to come and help me to get up. Sometimes when I'm sitting down, my husband has to help me to stand up. God. That's like new, as in those things have not happened to me during my 2 previous pregnancy. And I was like, wow, is it because of the gender or is it because of my age? I'm still in my 20s. What of those that are having babies in their 30s, 40s? How will it be to them? I'm still in my 20s. Anyway, guys, at this point, you guys should pray for me. I'm preparing for my elective CS, which I'll be having. And I can't wait to carry my baby girl. I can't wait to carry my baby girl, because I've waited long for this. With my first pregnancy, I thought it was going to be a girl. With my second pregnancy, with my first, I thought it was going to be a girl, but it happened to be a boy. I'm grateful to God. With my second pregnancy, I was so convinced that it was a girl. I was so convinced because of the symptoms and everything that pregnancy comes with. I was so convinced that was a baby girl, but it happened to be another boy. I was grateful. But you see, this time around, God said, no. Let me bless this, my child, with her heart desire. And God did it for me. I'm so grateful to God. I'm happy. I'm super happy. Becoming a mother of 3 soon. I'm super happy. I'm super grateful for people around me, for everybody that supported me through this pregnancy, for everybody that prayed for us to have our heart desire, for everybody that joined us in prayer, for everybody that that rejoiced with us. I appreciate you all. I'm not taking any of this for granted at all. I really appreciate you all. God bless you, and God will also bless any woman, any couple, any marriage praying for this particular prayer, having this secret prayer in their mind. I pray God bless you with your heart desire, just the way God has blessed me with my heart desire. God will bless you, and you will have your children. You will carry your children. Whatever gender you are praying for, God will bless you. You will carry that gender in the mighty name of Jesus. Anyway, guys, this might actually be the last video you'll be seeing before I will upload our birth vlog. Yeah, I'm just going to record this video and keep it to when I will be uploading it. Yeah, so before you see this video, I'm actually be holding my baby already. Yeah. So guys, let me just stop the talking and yeah, and do my unboxing. Let me even see what I have here and do my review. Okay, I have wow, I have this pants here. I requested for pants, and this one too is pants. This one is actually pants. Wow, this one come in how many pieces? This one come in wow, 1 2 3 4. They come in 2 which is, that is 8 pieces. 8 pieces of pants here, and this one has 6 pieces. So what I actually, you have to request what you want. I actually requested for this pants so that I can use it to make video for them, because I need it. Is what I actually need. I need it. So let me see what I have here. I have to make videos of this now because I have not made the video. What do we have here? Oh wow, this one is what I ordered. I actually ordered this one for my children's room. Want to change their room, want to take them to the bigger room. Yeah, the one that is bigger than the one Owen have been using. So because Angel and Owen is about to be staying in one room right now, so that baby can be with me. Yeah, baby can be with me in my own room. The Angel and Owen will be in one room. So that's why I actually ordered this. This is a mattress protector. I ordered this on TikTok shop. This one is not free sample. It's a mattress protector, as you can see. So this is it. This is how it looks. So that is what I have here. Okay, I have 3 products to make video of right now. I have a lot of products that I've made video. If you see where I'm storing products that I've made video of that I've not actually used. This one is this particular fan. I actually like it. I love it. I have the black color, so I decided to request for this color, for this white color. So I have 3, that means I have 3 products to unbox here. This one I can actually make video of it. Actually, it's my choice because this one is not coming for free. I bought it. It's my choice. Anyway guys, let me end this video here. At this point I have not packed my hospital bag. I'm going to record that as well, and so maybe some other vlogs before I have my baby. Thank you so much for watching. I have to end this video right here. Bye.